Okay, good morning and thanks for sharing. Yes, you mentioned it, tough conditions and even getting more tough over the course of the 6 months. The year started as expected with the challenges still passing over from last year. And then we saw with the war in Ukraine that further stress was building up. And also in Europe, then we had impacts on the supply chain, especially on the automotive side, and still well-going markets around the globe. Then in North America, particularly strong, not so much impacted by the situation in Europe. China had a lockdown for more than 2 months, which was a heavy impact to our business. But the last 2 months, we are recovering very well. And for us, the economical instability, we anticipate this to continue, but still we see our own elements, which are the market penetration, which expands, which we see very strong signs in China, also a very strong sustainable volume growth in the Americas, give us the confidence also for the full year that we will be able to deliver, as outlined in our February statement, over proportional profit growth and well above 10% net sales growth.
It's interesting hearing you spell it out on an overall geographic level. I do wonder whether some of the post-pandemic recovery and the big bounce in demand that we saw is beginning to dwindle, especially given so much of the world right now is facing a cost of living crisis and have really been scaling back on more discretionary spending. And clearly, construction is a sector that's quite cyclical and would follow those trends.
To some part, that's correct. We see some areas in Europe where we had last year an exceptional demand, especially on the small improvements, home improvements. People were, let's say, upgrading their home office or their facilities, which is, let's say, which has pushed last year very much distribution business, especially in Europe. This is not as strong as it was, so that's clearly a factor. But other than that, we have very strong demands in North America, in South America, beyond, let's say, the recovery from the COVID demands. So they are very healthy. Also on the let's say, new construction, there might be some stress, but we are very resilient with our refurbishment and renovation activities. A lot of the infrastructure, a lot of the building have maintenance needs, which cannot be postponed. And this is healthy for our business and takes us a bit out of this cyclical element.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.